So now that you all have been so sweet to each other, it's time to fight. थोड़ा सा competitive.
We love to fight.
You
Yeah,
guys
don't
love
worry,
to
we
fight.
love to
Great,
fight.
great. When is his birthday? Exact. You have to
Sana
write
is failing
with
this.
year.
Sana is failing it. Like year you want.
Yeah, with year नहीं पूरा.
अच्छा.
Date, year, month and year.
Sana is failing it and you please better ask me her birthday. हाँ?
हाँ.
तू एटलीस्ट बेशरम तो उसको वो महीना तो याद कर. महीना याद कर. It was last
Oh
year,
my
Sana.
God.
So I'm a better friend.
I'm back.
No, but you didn't. You are also not getting a little bit of answers.
What? See, birthday remembering
हाँ,
is
birthday
a good
remembering
thing.
is important. No, I agree.
It's
a big.
it's very basic.
Yeah. No,
No, she's covering
No,
now.
no. I'm not covering up.
Tie.
It's
a tie.
It's a tie ना.
अरे कैसे यार मैं एक लीड कर रहा हूँ एक पॉइंट से.
नहीं, but अभी उन्होंने बोल दिया घरेलू. मैं लिख रही.
सुनो मैं बताता हूँ. मैं बताता
हाँ,
हूँ.
बोलो.
मेरी बात सुनो. सबसे नहीं
He's
सुनो.
treating this like a Big Boss
No,
star.
I will treat it like it's a
मैं अपनी
competition. You wanted me to be
competitive
competitive. I am competitive now.
Well, there's drama, there's lots of love and a lot of emotions, and that is what Sana and Vishal's new song "Tu Saath Hai To" is all about. And they're joining me today only on the Free Press Journal for a very fun conversation. So don't miss it. Hi, you guys. Firstly, I have to start off by saying that it was really heartbreaking to see that climax scene, you know, when the ring falls and you get so upset. And I almost felt at that moment that this should have been like a full movie or like a
Fledged
short
movie.
or like a short film.
How sweet. Thank you so much that आपने इतने अच्छे से उसे देखा है.
Yeah. So now that you all have been so sweet to each other, it's time to fight. थोड़ा सा competitive.
We fight
होना
a lot.
पड़ेगा.
fight.
You
Yeah,
guys
don't
love
worry,
to
we
fight.
love to
Great,
fight.
great. That's great for this episode. So आप लोग दोनों please एक board ले लीजिए.
Okay.
And the game is called How Well Do We Know Each Other.
Oh.
Okay.
Now the question will be for you and आप दोनों को answer लिखना है.
Okay.
Your answer has
Sana
to
मेरा
match
answer
his
देख लेना
answer.
फिर फट से वही
But
लिखना.
नहीं guys, please
Okay,
be
no.
competitive, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so first I'll do one, ठीक है? Vishal, first question is for you, which is Sana's exact Instagram following.
Oh God.
आपको भी नहीं याद?
Sana, no, come on.
No. I'll tell you. I think.
I know. I can tell you if you want.
हाँ.
I think
हाँ.
so.
You have written?
Yeah.
Show दोनों पलटो अपने boards.
Sana is 2.4.
No,
You mad?
it's Sana is correct.
Oh,
It's
fuck.
2.3. So Vishal, sorry.
But I'm close enough, yaar.
You're very close, but it's
Yeah.
not. It was exact, but he was actually very
Actually did,
close.
yeah.
Nice. Okay, but still you don't get a point. Sorry.
Okay.
Vishal's current favorite song. This has to be easy.
Of course. हाँ तो क्या?
पर आपको भी मिलेंगे easy questions. Don't worry. Very good. I was wondering what if one of you writes some other song.
ये हमारे प्रमोशन के लिए बहुत बेकार होता है.
Okay. Vishal, the next one is for you. Sana's most favorite Big Boss contestant apart from you.
Apart from me.
Yeah.
एक मिनट. So अच्छी this toss between two. Okay. और नहीं 3.
ठीक है. दिखा दो तीनों में से एक भी. No, you can't change now.
हाँ,
No,
तीनों
he's
में
not
से-
changing.
हाँ,
But
अब पढ़.
Love के शिवानी नेजी. Like I didn't know with बहुत
But
equally
my
अच्छी
favorite
दोस्त-
would be Nazy.
Nazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Nazy he mentioned. We have to give it.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Vishal's favorite Big Boss contestant apart from you. Okay, great. Sana is at 2, you are at 1.
How come I have
Because you lost the first one, na? Insta follower. ठीक है. One thing about you.
Dumb.
This is one thing about
अच्छा.
you that you think bothers Sana. It could be any small thing.
ठीक है. चिढ़ जाना.
Yeah, getting irritated.
Getting irritated. Wow. You guys are actually really nicely bonded friends because ye itna specific was like, okay. For you, Sana, now. Okay, when is his birthday? Exact, you have to
Sana
write
is failing
with
this.
year.
Sana is failing it. Like year you.
Yeah, with year, nahi, pura.
अच्छा.
Date, year, month and year.
Sana is failing it and you please better ask me her birthday. Huh?
हाँ. Next I'll ask you that,
Yeah.
don't worry.
No, I give up. I forgot. I'm so sorry.
Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. Even month you don't want to try?
She has not remembered. I'm telling you ना. I know this.
पर
she has not
आया है ना
remembered.
आपका birthday
हाँ
भी
हाँ, कि उसने मेरे को
friendship
वीडियो
में तो।
कॉल भी करी है उसने, कहीं बाहर जा रही थी ये.
एक मिनट,
She will, हाँ, तू एटलीस्ट बेशरम तो उसको वो महीना तो याद कर, महीना याद कर. It was last
Oh
year,
my
Sana.
God.
चल, I'll give you a hint.
मैं कहाँ टर्की जा रही थी क्या?
See, I'm a Scorpio.
हाँ, now to come on.
Come on, Sana.
Scorpio.
You have to like it's. Naindeep, come on, help
October
him.
ना.
Help her. Help her. I'm saying help her.
October.
Are you mad? Chalo.
But anyway, you're not getting. Show at least.
21st
show
of
everyone.
November, guys.
21st November.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Mad. No, now ask me her birthday.
Okay, Vishal, for you, what is Sana's?
Yeah, I'm writing now.
यार ये तो मैं सबको बयां कर देती.
बयां कुछ नहीं करी हो तुमने. हाँ चलो.
13th June.
See?
See.
So I'm a better friend.
I'm bad. I'm sorry.
No, but you didn't. You are also not getting a little bit of answers.
What? See, birthday remembering
Ah,
is
birthday
a
remembering
good
is
thing.
It's a
important.
big
No, no,
thing.
I agree. It's a big.
It's very basic.
Yeah. No, no.
No,
it's
No,
a big
she's
thing.
covering now.
No,
her.
no. I'm not covering up. Birthday remembering is a big thing.
But कोई नहीं. I'm
I
sorry.
can't
No,
be
no. I am
biased.
sorry.
I
I
can't be
apologize.
biased.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
चलो.
But now you remember, no?
You ask anyone's birthday now.
21st November.
November.
You ask now Lavkesh's birthday, Shine's birthday, she will not remember.
But now Vishal is at 3, you are at 2.
Of
Sana.
course,
okay,
I'm
buckle
gonna
up.
win it.
Jabki he started on a rough note.
This is what happens to me.
Okay, Sana, next is a question for you. What does Vishal prefer, mountains or beaches?
Oh, I know.
She's
Great.
getting it.
Lovely. How have you guys spoken about this?
And
How were
I'm
you?
Yeah,
searching
yeah.
for this interview only.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
हाँ मैंने बोला ना यार we've spoken about it.
Okay. Vishal, for you,
Yeah.
last movie that Sana watched in a theater.
Sana, see, I think you have watched that, but I don't know. See, I don't know Abhi, but I know that you've watched this Pushpa 2. I don't know.
Okay, you also write which is
Sana,
the last
please.
movie.
है ना? See?
Lovely. Okay.
See?
So Vishal gets 4. Sana is at 3. Sana, 3 people. चलो 2 भी अगर सही हो जाए on his speed dial.
Family.
You can write 3 names. हाँ, mom. मतलब जो भी लिखना है आपको and उसमें से 2 भी सही हो तो चलेगा.
Sana, it's very easy. Don't worry. It's very easy.
और कौन? पापा.
फैमिली में सब आ गया ना सना. क्या लिखे
Mom,
तूने?
sister, papa.
हाँ ठीक है. Family and best friends. I think she gets
Okay.
it.
बेस्ट
Great.
फ्रेंड में इसके है 2-3 फ्रेंड्स.
हाँ.
तो
Okay. How frequently do you talk to each other on phone?
Once a week.
once a
For
week.
weekly updates.
अच्छा
Yeah.
we don't have a particular time ना हम
हाँ,
कभी
कभी भी.
एक तो like we are very connected on Snapchat in
Snap पे बहुत रहते हैं.
Snap and Instagram. So हम टेक्स्ट पे इतना बात कर लेते हैं फिर कॉल पे एक आध
हमें
घंटे
अगर
के
कोई
बाद
मस्ती करनी होती है हम स्नैप पे करते हैं.
हाँ,
Yeah.
Snapchat is fun.
Fun.
Very
It's
fun.
fun.
Yeah.
हम एक दूसरे को वॉइस रिकॉर्ड भेजेंगे
क्या चल रहा है
एंड हम पिचिंग करेंगे गॉसिप
Oh,
करेंगे.
nice.
हम बहुत कुछ करते हैं स्नैपचैट पे.
Yeah.
Lovely. Okay. So Sana, this is for you. Name. Oh no, you answered. Now it's your turn. When Sana gets married, whenever she
Yeah.
does, will she marry for love or for compatibility? What will she
Oh.
choose?
Like can I answer this in a very subtle way? I think both. Like love is very important, but compatibility is also very
But one,
important
if
to
she
her.
has to choose over the other, do you have an answer or do you agree with?
You
what
tell
he
me,
said?
then I'll write.
आई थिंक आई एग्री विथ हिम. प्यार भी उतना ही
Yeah, because
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
these two things are. अब अगर
Important,
प्यार
it's
है तो
necessary.
They go
compatibility.
hand in hand.
या देखो हैंड इन हैंड यार. मतलब there's no बीच का ऑप्शन ही नहीं निकाल सकते आप. एक कैसे चूज कर सकते हो? प्यार है, कंपैटिबिलिटी नहीं है. कंपैटिबिलिटी है लेकिन प्यार ही नहीं है. तो
प्यार ही नहीं है तो आप इंसान के साथ
कैसे
रहोगे
रह सकते हो आप? तो आई थिंक नहीं.
So he gets the point
Of
then.
course.
Wow, Vishal, you are a very good friend.
आई नो मैन.
Okay.
मैं बर्थडे भूल गई तो मैं बुरी
हाँ
हो
तो
गई.
नहीं
हाँ
तो
तो
अभी आप you prove it.
प्लीज टेल हर यस.
Okay, name the most important quality that is for Vishal in a girl that he sees.
अरे
That could be his potential partner.
शी नोज इट.
घरेलू.
ये तो मैंने भी वही लिखा है.
Right.
घरेलू.
Oh my God. Gharelu. You guys have discussed this.
No, मतलब she
No,
knows
but
it.
I
Like
know, I
घरेलू.
know this
Okay.
that he wants a girl who's very,
very homely
Very
and all. Yeah.
homely.
and who somebody, you know, somebody he's looking जो उसके साथ vibe भी करे.
Okay. Lovely. ठीक है. So last questions now. It's a tie, guys. 5 points है. एक एक
it's a tie.
इट्स अ टाई ना.
अरे कैसे यार मैं एक लीड कर रहा हूँ ना एक पॉइंट से.
नहीं बट अभी उन्होंने बोल दिया घरेलू. इट्स मैं लिख रही.
सुनो मैं बताता हूँ. मैं बता रहा हूँ.
बोलो.
हाँ मैं 4 पे चल रहा था 3 पे चल रही थी.
आप वो छोड़ो. आप लोग ने
मैं
कितना
वो छोड़ने
गलत
नहीं वाला.
किया.
मेरी बात सुनो आप. मेरी बात सुनो. सबसे नहीं
He's treating this like a big boss star.
No, I will treat it like it's a competition. You wanted me to be competitive. I am competitive now.
But
Chalo.
don't be competitive.
No, I will.
Be competitive.
Now, Nayan, tell me this.
Where's my popcorn? Can I have
Tell
some
me this.
popcorn?
She was on 3. I was on 4. After that, every question I answered, she answered. How come then it's a tie?
I have
You tell me.
proof. The camera. आपने उनका फॉलोइंग गलत बोला और आपने उनका बर्थडे गलत बोला. और क्या गलत
उन्होंने
बोला?
अरे लेकिन I was leading ना.
अरे बट फिर कवर अप हो. आपने स्टार्टिंग में गलत बोल दिया ना.
नहीं, I had. So you were starting. The first question came to you.
No, she बीच में she told me कि Vishal you are leading. मतलब okay then after
But
that.
she covered up ना.
How?
अभी
मैं
one
तुम्हारा birthday
question
नहीं
each. I'll give you guys one question.
It's not a tie.
Guys it's okay. अगर आप में से कोई जीत भी रहा है उसको मिल कुछ नहीं रहा है.
मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं कुछ. मुझे
नया
नहीं चाहिए
लेकर
कुछ.
आया है वो देगा आपको गिफ्ट्स.
चल ठीक है. Ask.
ठीक है. लास्ट one question. ठीक है. First we'll ask you. Let me give a little
Difficult one.
difficult one.
And
One Big Boss contestant that Sana would not want to meet anymore.
so I think there's 4.
4.
Yeah,
No,
there's
but
4.
one.
Top one.
Okay.
This to everyone knows. The entire
Okay,
world
then I'll
knows.
write. No, it's okay.
कितने अच्छे से लिखा है.
Great. Okay. So if Sana you get this right, you guys are at a tie.
Okay.
If you get this wrong, Vishal wins.
Okay.
And
Don't
he
really-
won't fight with me then.
Yeah,
and I'm
don't
saved.
ask her like which Big Boss contestant he wouldn't like to meet. That
Okay. I'll give you a very difficult question.
Yeah.
One top thing, like the most loved thing that Vishal loves about himself. He loves this thing about
चलो
himself.
हार गई तुम चलो.
Now this could be anything
Yeah, like about
His
me,
hair.
no?
about yourself.
His hair, his style, his personality,
No, but she's right here.
his hair.
Wow. See, you guys are true friends because दोनों ने same बोला है सब
No
कुछ.
matter how much she tells true friend, if your friend forgets your birthday, it's not a sign of a good friend.
No. I agree. And now Sana, what is his birthday?
21st November छप गया है.
बस.
Year भी बोल दूं क्या?
Scorpio,
नहीं मानूंगा
21st November. Okay, guys, they were at a tie.
Hi, I'm Sana Maqbool
Hi, this is Vishal Pandey.
and you guys are watching us on Free Press Journal.